Hello aspirants, in this session we are going to talk about antonyms and synonyms. When it comes to the antonym and synonyms, we all know कि ये ना केवल आपको आरसी में हेल्प करते हैं बल्कि ये आपके क्लोज टेस्ट में और फिलर्स में भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इस सेशन में वी हैव कंपाइल्ड 100 इंपॉर्टेंट एंटोनिम एंड सिनोनिम्स फॉर यू पीपल, जिसमें से पहला है bewilderment. Bewilderment stands for a feeling of being perplexed and confused. Synonyms are baffled, mystified, perplexing. Antonyms are awareness, assurance and convictions. Next is overwhelm. Overwhelm have a strong emotional effect on, किसी चीज़ का हम पे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली असर होना, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं overpower emotionally, engulf and surge over. Antonyms है encourage, underwhelmed. Next is virulent. Virulent stands for extremely severe or harmful in its effect. Synonyms noxious, malignant and lethal. Antonyms amicable, benevolent and non-contagious. Next is debacle. Debacle stands for an event or enterprise that ends suddenly, often with humiliating consequence. ऐसी कोई बात, कोई ऐसी घटना जो सडनली ख़त्म हो और उसके जो इफ़ेक्ट हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंसल्टिंग हो, उनको डिबैकल कहा जाता है. सिनोनिम्स हैं फिएस्को, फेलियर, कैटास्ट्रॉफ. एंटोनिम्स हैं मिरेकल, ट्रायम्फ और अटेनमेंट. Next is fluke, a lucky or improbable occurrence with implication of non-repeating. Synonyms contingency, fortunate, lucky break. Antonyms misfortune, certainty or designed. Next, skeptic, someone who decided as to what is true, who is undecided. वो जो लोग समझ नहीं पाते कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, what to do not to do, उनको skeptic कहते हैं. Synonyms होते हैं agnostic, pessimist और misbeliever. Antonyms होते हैं believer, optimistic, devotee. Next is discernment, ability to distinguish. Synonyms acumen, insight, judgment. Antonyms ignorance, stupidity, imbecile. Next is amelioration, to make something better. Synonyms upgrade, betterment, enrichment. Antonyms retrogression, deterioration or halt. Next is dampen, to make something less strong or intense. किसी की intensity या power को कम कर देना. Synonyms are bedew, besprinkled or dabble. Antonyms are inspirit, hearten or uplift. Next is enliven, make someone more cheerful or animated. Synonyms are brighten, buoy or galvanize. Antonyms are bore, dishearten or subdue. Next is nostrum. Nostrum stands for a scheme, theory, device, etc., especially one to remedy social or political ills. Synonyms panacea, potion, Catholican. Antonyms are disease, injury or wound. Next is confiscation, the action of taking or seizing someone's property with authority. ज़बरदस्ती किसी की property पे कब्जा कर लेना. Synonyms seizure, arrogation, expropriation. Antonyms cede, relinquish or surrender. Next is recoup, it stands for to earn back, किसी चीज़ को वापस ले लेना. Synonyms requite, remunerate, repossess. Antonyms deprive, penalize or worsen. Next is ostensibly, it stands for without knowing all the relevant facts. Synonyms professedly, superficially or seemingly. Antonyms are improbably, obscurely or unlikely. Next is stagger, walk, move unsteadily as if about to fall, जिसको हम बोलते हैं लड़खड़ा कर चलना. Synonyms are careen, lurch, totter. Antonyms are carry on, continue or stay. Next is cogent. Cogent stands for a clear or logical argument. Synonyms compelling, persuasive, weighty, किसी चीज़ को convincingly बोलना, उसको कहते हैं cogent. Antonyms ineffective, impotent or invalid. Next is abject, of something bad, किसी चीज़ का बुरा होना. Experienced or present to the maximum degree, किसी चीज़ को मतलब इससे ज़्यादा बुरी नहीं हो सकती, ये worst है, उस level तक महसूस कर लेना is called abject. Synonyms are wretched, deplorable, hangdog. Antonyms are noble, exalted, magnificent. Next is pellucid, easily intelligible, that is comprehensible, ल्यूमिनस, एक्सप्लिसिट, किसी को समझाना, किसी को इजीली किसी बात को कन्वे कर पाना इज कॉल्ड पेलुसिट, जिसको हम कहते हैं एंटोनिम्स में टिंटेड, मर्की और टर्बिड. नेक्स्ट इज पिक्वेंट, इट्स हैविंग अ प्लेजेंट शार्प टेस्ट. सिनोनिम्स पोइग्नेंट, जेस्टी, सवोरी. एंटोनिम्स ब्ला, ब्लैंड, फ्लेवरलेस. लेमेंट, टू एक्सप्रेस सोरो. Synonyms: mourn, wail, deplore. Antonyms: applaud, compliment and laud. Contrite, affected by guilt, किसी चीज को करने का अफसोस होना, मन में उसका अफसोस होना, is called contrite. Synonyms are apologetic, repentant, remorseful. Antonyms are hurtful, indifferent, unrepentant. Next, miscreant. Miscreant stands for a person who has done something wrong or unlawful. जो गलती करता है उसको miscreant कहते हैं. Synonyms होते हैं उसके flagitious, degenerate, reprobate. Antonyms होते हैं moral, legal और righteous. Next is censure. Express severe disapproval of someone, especially in a formal statement. Synonyms are condemnation, rebuke, reprimand. Antonyms are endorsement, acceptance or recommendation. Audacious, showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risk. किसी चीज में हिम्मत दिखाना कि yes मैं I can do this. इसके synonyms होते हैं brassy, daredevil, nervy. Antonyms होते हैं meek, cowardly और timid. Salubrious, healthy, wholesome बोलते हैं इसको. Synonyms होते हैं beneficial, salutary और invigorating. Antonyms होते हैं unhealthy, unwholesome और insalubrious. Repercussion, it stands for an unintended consequence of an event, especially one which is not welcomed. किसी unwanted event का हो जाना, उस चीज़ को, उस moment को repercussion कहते हैं. Synonyms होते हैं fallout, flag, reverberation. Antonyms होते हैं cause, origin और source. Next is loony, a mad or silly person. Synonyms are batty, kooky, nutty, wacky. Antonyms are sane, smart, sensible. Next is intrepid, fearless, जिसको डर ही नहीं लगता. Synonyms are adventurous, heroic, gallant, spunky. Antonyms are petrified, uneasy or hesitant. It's farcical, deserving or inviting derision, mockery. किसी चीज़ का मजाक उड़ाना, mockery और derision उसको बोला जाता है. Synonyms are bizarre, outlandish, ridiculous. Antonyms are grave, tragic or reasonable. Miasma, an unpleasant smell or vapor. Synonyms: fumes, reek, stink. Antonyms are perfume, sweetness or fragrance. Calumny, a false statement made to damage someone's reputation. Synonyms are defamation, lie, aspersion. Antonyms are commendation, recognition or appreciation. Raucous, behaving in a noisy or disorderly way. The way students represent themselves in the class. जब faculty नहीं होती है, कितना शोर होता है, उस chaos को raucous कहते हैं. Synonyms are discordant, harsh, loud. Antonyms are soft, mild, subdued. Cleave, split, that is divide, especially along a natural line or grain. Synonyms are bisect, quarter, hack. Antonyms are drop, fall or loosen. Balk, hesitate or be unwilling to accept an idea or undertaking. Synonyms: eschew, reluctant to or recoil. Antonyms are accept, add or greet. Aggrandize, making great in power or rank. किसी का rank designation बढ़ा देना या पार बढ़ा देना, उसको बोलते हैं aggrandize. Synonyms are ennoble, boost, dignify. Antonyms are condemn, denounce, disgrace. Guffaw, a loud and hearty laugh, दिल खोल के हंसना. Synonyms: haul, cackle, belly laugh. Antonyms are groan, mourn or sob. Next is pernicious, deadly. Synonyms are detrimental, devastating, malicious. Antonym are incautious, advantageous or beneficial. Vociferous stands for outspoken, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि जो भी मुंह में आता है वही बोल दिया. Synonyms are boisterous, clamorous, shrill. Antonyms are quiet, calm, hushed. Implore, beg someone earnestly or desperately to do something. मिन्नत करना कि please 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 कर दो, वो वाली situation. Synonyms are entreat, beseech, importune. Antonyms are disgust, refuse, mollify. Noxious, harmful. Synonyms are pernicious, putrid, virulent. Antonyms are sterile, curing or non-poisonous. Next is grapple, that is struggle. Synonyms are confront, cope, clasp. Antonyms are dodge, liberate or unfasten. Next is scourge, a source of persistent trouble, that are pestilence, visitation, bane. Antonyms are boon, delight or blessing. Feud, state of enmity between two families or clans. ठीक है, clans का मतलब होता है फैमिली, घरानों में दुश्मनी चलती आना, खानदानों में दुश्मनी चलती आना. ठीक है. Synonyms are altercation, bickering, fracas. Antonyms are accord, concord or comradeship. Sedulous, a person showing dedication or diligence. Synonyms: determined, industrious, plugging. Antonyms are idle, inactive or unbusy. Obnoxious, extremely unpleasant. Synonyms are loathsome, nasty, odious. It's odious, loathsome, nasty, odious, repulsive. Antonyms are agreeable, decent or pleasing. Next is fiasco, a complete failure, especially a ludicrous or humiliating one. Synonyms are blunder, debacle, washout. Antonyms are accomplishment, triumph or miracle. Quondam, quondam stands for that once was, former, जो कभी था पहले. Synonyms: bygone, erstwhile, preceding. Antonyms are dynamic, thriving, vibrant or extant. Faction, dissension within an organization, that is block, clan, sect. Antonyms are agreement, conformity, unity. Next is scorn, to reject, turn down. Synonyms are disdain, derision, sarcasm. अभी आपने पढ़ा derision, किसी की मौकरी, किसी का मजाक बनाना. Antonyms are flattery, praise, compliment. Next is shrewd, having, showing sharp powers of judgment, बहुत चालाक होना, तेज होना किसी चीज़ में. Synonyms are astute, canny, adroit. Antonyms are awkward, hasty, inept. Multitudinous, very numerous, vast. Synonyms are abounding, copious, myriad. Antonyms are few, limited, countable. Next is dismal, causing a mood of gloom or depression, दुखी होना किसी बात की वजह से. Synonyms are disheartening, ghastly, murky. Antonyms are luminous, cheerful or glad. Ethereal, ethereal stands for extremely delicate and light in a way that seems not to be of this world. Synonyms are airy, celestial, sublime. Antonyms are terrestrial, earthly or worldly. Fidgety, इसको फिजगेटी बोलते हैं. फिजगेटी स्टैंड्स फॉर inclined to fidget, restless or uneasy, बेचैन होना. Synonyms are apprehensive, jittery, twitchy. Antonyms are laid back, composed or easy going. Afoot, in motion. Synonyms: hiking, walking, mobile. Antonyms are completed, ended or finished. Next is bestow, to lay up in stores. Synonyms are bequeath, lavish, grant. Antonyms are withhold, deny, refuse. Futile, incapable of producing any useful result, किसी चीज़ का बेकार होना. Synonyms: pointless, hollow, ineffectual. Antonyms are fruitful, worthwhile or productive. Quell, put an end to, किसी चीज़ को ख़त्म कर देना. A rebellion or other disorder, typically by the use of force. बल से किसी चीज़ को ख़त्म करना. Synonyms: thwart, squash, annihilate. Antonyms: aggravate, perturb or agitate. Ignominy, ignominy stands for public shame or disgrace. Synonyms are humiliation, embarrassment, mortification. Antonyms are admiration, reverence or renown. Banter, to play and friendly exchange of teasing remarks. जब हम एक दूसरे के साथ हंसी मजाक में कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, that is called banter. जब किसी को बुरा नहीं लगता. Synonyms are repartee, raillery, swordplay. Antonyms are allay, advise, flatter. Abduct, to take away by force. Synonyms are usurp, seize, snatch. Antonyms are ransom, redeem, rescue. It's uncouth. Uncouth stands for lacking good manners, refinement or grace. बदतमीज होना जिसमें etiquettes नहीं होते हैं. Synonyms are uncivilized, plebeian or philistine. Antonyms are polished, sophisticated, well-bred. Brazen, bold and without shame. Synonyms are unabashed, unembarrassed, unblushing. Antonyms are shamefaced, retiring or shy. Stalled, stop or cause to stop making progress. Synonyms are halt, equivocate, filibuster. Antonyms are expedite, permit or further. Precocious, Having developed certain abilities or inclination at an earlier age than is usual or expected. किसी चीज़ की तरफ झुकाव expected age के पहले आ जाना is called precocious. Synonyms are bright, mature, flippant. Antonyms are stupid, ignorant, and vicus. Revamp, give new and improved form, structure, or appearance to. Synonyms are revise, restructure, renovate. Antonyms are overhaul, refurbish, or vitalize. Parity stands for to state or condition of being equal, especially as regards status or pay. किसी भी चीज़ में बैलेंस बन जाना, इक्वलिटी आ जाना इज कॉल्ड पैरिटी. सिनोनिम्स आर कंसिस्टेंसी, कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस, कॉन्ग्रुटी, और इंटोनियम है डिवेस्टेट, ब्रेक और डिस्ट्रॉय. इवेंट स्टैंड्स फॉर रिवील द प्रेजेंस ऑफ, इंडिकेट अ क्वालिटी ऑफ फीलिंग, किसी चीज़ की एग्जिस्टेंस को एक्सप्रेस करता है. सिनोनिम्स कॉल्स, सिनोनिम्स आर अटेस्ट, फर्निश, डिस्प्ले. इंटोनिम्स आर कंसील, सीक्रेट और डिनाई. इक्विट, free someone from a criminal charge by verdict of not guilty. Synonyms are absolve, vindicate, exculpate. Antonyms are accuse, incarcerate or incriminate. Nexus, a connection or series of connections linking two or more things. किसी चीज़ में लगातार कई चीज़ों का या कई इवेंट्स का इंटरवोवन होना इज कॉल्ड नेक्सस. सिनोनिम्स आर यूनियन, कनेक्शन, लिंक. एंटोनिम्स आर रप्चर, सेपरेशन और डिटैचमेंट. एमेनेबल, open and responsive to suggestion, easily persuaded or controlled. Synonyms are compliant, acquiescent, persuable. Antonyms are unsusceptible, intractable or unchangeable. Flattering, lose strength or momentum. Synonyms oscillate, waver, fluctuate. Antonyms decide, budge or stir. Radical, change relating to or affecting the fundamental nature of something. Synonyms are revolutionary, drastic or quintessential. Antonyms are profound, basal or cardinal. Next is conundrum. Conundrum stands for a confusing and difficult problem or question. Synonyms are quandary, dilemma or cruncher. Antonyms are simplicity, solution or facile. Next is turbulence, a state of conflict or confusion, जहाँ पे बिल्कुल कुछ भी चीज़ समझ नहीं आती. Synonyms are turmoil, ferment, disorder. Antonyms are stability, stillness or calmness. Solace, comfort or consolation in a time of great distress or sadness. Synonyms condolence, abatement, relief. Antonyms are discord, disharmony, dissonance. Ravenous, extremely hungry, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी होना. Synonyms famished, voracious, ravening, wolfish. Antonyms satiable, contented, satisfied. Delinquent, typically of a young person. ये young लोगों के लिए है ये word basically. Typically tending to commit crime, particularly minor crime. Synonyms are responsible, lax or slack. Antonyms are lawful, behaving or liable. Perpetrator, a person who carries out a harmful, illegal or immoral act. Synonyms are assassin, executioner, slayer. Antonyms are scamp, slight or slur. Quaint, attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Synonyms pictorious, charming, toy town. Antonyms are modern, normal or ordinary. Berate, scold or criticize angrily. गुस्से से किसी के अगेंस्ट बोलना या किसी को फटकारना is called berate. Synonyms are castigate, rebuke, reprimand. Antonyms are hail, compliment and appraise. Apogee, the highest point in the development of something. Synonyms apex, climax, crest. मतलब अब इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, ये ऑलरेडी पहले से टॉप पे है. Antonyms हैं बेस, बॉटम और nadir. Excruciating, intensely painful, बहुत ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ का दर्दनाक होना. Synonyms are agonizing, stabbing, harrowing. Antonyms are endurable, bearable और soothing. Bolstered, support और strengthen, किसी चीज़ को support करना, किसी चीज़ को encourage करना. Synonyms are fortify, bulwark और brace. Antonyms are weaken, discourage, undermine. Ailing, poor health. Synonyms debilitated, enfeebled, diseased. Antonyms able, sound, strong, healthy. scoot, to go or leave somewhere quickly, फटाफट कहीं चले जाना. Synonyms: bolt, scamper, whiz. Antonyms: dawdle, decelerate or retard. Next is woggish, it's suddenly or temporarily popular, थोड़े समय के लिए किसी चीज़ का ट्रेंड में आना. Synonyms: faddy, dashing, exclusive. Antonyms: old fashioned, repulsive or unstylish. Next is got, provoke or annoy so as to stimulate an action or reaction, चिढ़ाना किसी को जब तक सामने वाला react ना करे. Synonyms: spur, prod, rouse, it's rouse. Antonyms are disgust, deterrent or diversion. Edict, an official order or proclamation issued by a person in authority, जो authority में है उसकी तरफ से किसी फरमान का जारी होना is called edict. Synonyms are mandate, pronouncement, decree. Antonyms are request, appeal, entreaty. Allegiance, allegiance stands for loyalty or commitment to a superior or to a group or cause. किसी चीज़ की तरफ वफादार होना, वो कोई भी हो सकता है, ग्रुप हो सकता है, पर्टिकुलर कोई रीज़न हो सकता है, कोई ह्यूमन हो सकता है. Synonyms are filthy, adherence, homage. Antonyms are disloyalty, treachery or betrayal. Gregarious, fond of company, sociable. Synonyms: companionable, convivial, clubbable. Antonyms are introverted, unsociable, chilly or reticent. Aghast, filled with horror or shock. Synonyms: appalled, astounded, amazed, dismayed. Antonyms: nonplussed, unconcerned, unruffled. Whimsy, the quality of being amazing or fantastic. Synonyms are playfulness, fancifulness, sporadically. Antonyms are regular, simple or sober. Despondency, low spirits from loss of hope or courage. जब अंदर से हिम्मत टूट जाती है उस समय की सिचुएशन को डिस्पोंडेंसी कहा जाता है. Synonyms are dejection, despair, hopelessness. Antonyms are encouragement, joy, optimism. Agog, very eager or curious to hear or see something. Synonyms: avid, breathless, expectant. Antonyms are disinterested, apathetic, unenthusiastic. Sinister, giving the impression that something harmful or evil is happening or will happen. किसी बुरे होने का अंदेशा होना. Synonyms: menacing, ominous or inauspicious. Antonyms are auspicious, happy, benevolent. Next is scrumptious. Scrumptious stands for extremely appetizing. Synonyms are delicious, ambrosial or luscious. Antonyms are banal, abhorrent or detestable. Next is gargantuan. Gargantuan stands for enormous, किसी का बहुत बड़ा होना, huge होना. Synonyms are colossal, mammoth, tremendous. Antonyms are miniature, minuscule or diminutive. Next is tumultuous. Tumultuous stands for confused or disorderly. Synonyms are hectic, raucous, turbulent. Antonyms are peaceful, uneventful, orderly. And the last word is predicament. Predicament stands for a difficult, unpleasant or embarrassing situation, जिसको हम कहते हैं quandary, trouble और muddle. Antonyms होते हैं agreement, breakthrough और closure. I hope आप इन 100 words को अच्छे से ready कर लेंगे और when it comes to your cloze test or fillers or the translation of antonym or synonym from your रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, ये वर्ड्स आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू.